I basically have this big bag of stuff here that you guys see. I think I showed this bag in my last video if you guys saw my last vlog, which was a while ago. I just been, you know, getting settled back in school. That's why I haven't been putting up videos, but don't worry, I'm still gonna put up videos. I plan to incorporate it in everything, okay? So yeah, I have a big bag of goodies to show you guys. So I'm basically gonna start off with the little bag because I have two little baggies in here, and the big, like two little bags, and then the big bags. The big bags are the candles. So I'm gonna start off with the little baggies first, and it's like it's mix and match in here. So here I have, let's start with the small to big. So we're gonna get into like the room sprays and the wall refillables. I want to say this, I had so much refillables from the time I got these things that this would have been such a long haul if I still had them. But like I said, I got these things a while back, so I have been using a lot of them. And I have, I think five plugins that I have placed like in my kitchen, dining room, living room, the 2 bedrooms, so 6, and the bathroom. So I've been using them left, right, and center. I'm just going to show you the ones that I have left in here. The room sprays as well. I think I started off with about 6. Now I have 2 in here. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So I'm going to show you the 2 room sprays that I have. So these are basically how the room sprays look. If you guys are into Bath and Body Works stuff, I really like, I don't care, like some people say Bath and Body Works is so, you know, like they're over it, but I can never get over it. Their scents are just timeless for me. It's my opinion, I really like them. I like everything about their smells. Sometimes it's too high perfumey, but I love everything that smells great, so I'm on it. And if you want your home to smell expensive, luxurious, and just smell good, because who wants a home that smells crazy? Get into it, guys. So the last 2 that I have, I did have like some folly scents, but yeah, I used them out. So the last 2 that I have, this one is champagne toast and this one is strawberry pound cake. You can find the lotions and the candles in these scents as well, and the splash, because you do know they replicate everything into everything. So they have candles, splashes, hand soap, everything the same smell. I want to say they travel different, like they smell differently when it's a different form. So the candle would be sometimes higher in note or sometimes lower in note, it depends. Whereas the lotion will be like so pungent, it's on your skin, everybody smells you. But yeah, these 2 I really do like. The champagne toast is what I'm currently using in my house. It's halfway done. You guys, I'm gonna say 1 pump in a room, it carries. You don't need to be like an air freshener, because these things are so strong. So careful how you use them. They're small, but they are powerful. But yeah, get on it. Like, you clean your house, like spring is coming up soon. I pray to God, spring, hurry up and come, because I'm so over this weather. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm just sick and tired of the winter, and it literally just started, but I'm just over it. I really want, like today I was reminiscing about home. I just miss my island weather, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, jump on these smells. These 2 I really do like. Like I said, I had some autumn scents, but I can guarantee you guys these 2, they're on it. So yeah, now we're just gonna get into the wall refillables. Hey, all right guys, so like I said, I had more of these things, but I am only left with 3. I don't even know I'm gonna, well, it depends on whichever room runs out first, but these are how the refillables look. I have, you think I have like the fancier plug-in, because Bath and Body Works do carry the plugins, like the little plug itself, and they have like a bunch of varieties, some that are like bougie looking and some that are like caricature. I just have a plain little flower. When you plug it in, it's motion sense, because when you pass it, the light comes on. So in the bathroom, if I go to the bathroom in the night, I don't have to turn on the light because I passed the outlet, so the light, it just turns on, you know what I'm saying? So, and that one was like probably $5, and I have those that are in the room. These, I cannot remember what they retail for, but I got them for like $3. I think they're like 7 something, like original price, but I got them for like $3 and some change last year. The ones that I have left, this one is called Fresh Fall Morning. Obviously I got it around that time, like I want to say November, December. This is when I got these. This one is called Cranberry Woods, and this one does not have a tag, but I believe it's gingham. So gingham in the lotion and the candle I adore, so I just thought I would try it in the wall scent to see if it works out in my home. These two I have never tried, so I can't put a stamp of approval, but I am definitely gonna try. If anyone has tried these two before, Cranberry Woods and Fresh Fall Morning, leave a comment down below and let me know how they smell. But I'm very excited to try these fragrances in my house. Anybody that knows me knows how much I'm into everything that is just, I just love to smell good. It's just a big deal, and I feel like as a woman, you want that feeling, you love that feeling, you love walking into a place that smells good, you just love it, you love smelling good, and I'm just big on that. So yeah, these are basically the home things that I got from Bath and Body Works. Now we're going to, because we're into home, we're gonna keep it in the home section. So I'm not gonna do the lotions yet. I'm just gonna jump into the candles and then I'll do the lotion. So let's get into those candles, guys. All right, guys, so you guys know the candles are in the bigger bag. I absolutely like this little tote bag, by the way. When I first got it, they gave me one that was ripped, and I sure did went back to the counter and was like, ma'am, because I really like how big like they are. They are good for like a quick little shopping trip, because you know you have to bring your own bags now. And I mean, don't knock it, it's still a bag. Not because it says Bath and Body Works, it's still a bag and it can carry your groceries. So I really like it. I have like a bunch of Fresh Direct bags, but I really like this too. It's really cute. Even if you're going to like a store and they, you know, you gotta pay like 5 cents for a bag, you could always keep this in your car or something, and yeah, it works. But yeah, enough rambling, let's get into the candles. So I purchased 4 candles because it was candle sale, of course. I can't hold all of them in my hand. I did purchase the bigger candles, so I'm just gonna do them one by one. I opened this a while ago. It smells so freaking good. This one is called Pink Apple Punch, you guys. I don't want to get into the floral notes, but the floral notes are the floral notes are crisp apple, sun-kissed melons, sugar crystal, and natural essential oils. So this smells so freaking good, you guys. This smells so freaking good. This is like, I want to say you could do it for Valentine's. Like, you get all sexy, you get all cute, light some candles for your man, do your thing, put on some stripper heels, bust it open. Let me not get too graphic on this, but yeah, this you could definitely do for Valentine's. It's a Christmas, I feel like these were the Christmas scents, but this smells so freaking good. I love it. I just hope it carries through the home, because you know some candles don't really carry through the home, but I freaking love it. So if anybody has tried it, let me know if it carries. But if you want to get on a candle, Pink Apple Punch, if they still have it, check it out, because this, just opening it, it's so freaking good. The next one I have is Island Margarita. I have had this before. Before, when I had it, it was in a green packaging and it had like palm trees to the front and the words were in black. But I guess they switched up the packaging. It looks like a beachy type vibe. It smells really good. The scents in here are sweet mandarin, island mango, and sea salt. And it's more of a springy type vibe. This is what I got it for the last time too, for spring. And this carries through your house. I'm telling you right now, this thing floats through your house. It even goes into the hallway. You know what I'm saying? If you live in a building or something, but it carries. So this is a stamp of approval for me if you want something nice and springy, and spring is coming up soon, so I will be burning this for that season. The next one I have, this looks like a Christmas candle as well. Yes, it is. I've had this one. This is a staple as well in my arsenal. This is called Sweater Weather, and the notes in here are fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. And it's just like how it says. It's sweater vibes, you know, it's fall vibes, it's winter. This I could burn now in the house. It's just a cozy feeling vibe that you get when you burn it in the house, and I absolutely love it. I actually got this scent for my boyfriend's house because I feel like it's a little bit like guyish too. It's not too feminine. It will do nice in like a guy's house or whatever. So I got this in the thought of him, but I really like this, so you guys could definitely check this out. Let me know down below. You can put a blue heart if you like sweater weather, or you know what, put a white snowflake since the packaging has white snowflakes if you like sweater weather. Now the last candle that I'm gonna get into, I gotta take the cover off because of my nails. I can't grab them. This one is definitely a Christmas candle, but it smells so freaking good. This is called Mimosa. The notes in here are sparkling champagne, red apple slices, ice sugar crystals. It smells good. It's subtle, but it smells so freaking good. I like it. Has anyone tried this? Let me know down below if you've tried this. Mimosa. I have never tried this. I do not know if it carries. This is my first time getting this, just like the pink apple as well. So I'm definitely gonna try this and see how it smells. But just opening the packaging, it smells freaking great. So I'm happy about these buys. These candles normally retail for $25.50, I think, and I got them when they were for the low. I think it was like $8. So like I said, Bath and Body Works do have sales every now and then. You gotta check it out real fast, and I think sometimes they have them for like $10.50, like half off. So check it out. Those are some of the ones that I like. Now we're gonna wrap this video up with the lotions, and we're gonna dive into that right now. All right guys, so I always stack up, like I stack up on Bath and Body Works lotions. Like when they have a sale, a little $3.50 sale or whatever, I be buying the load, the mother load, so they last me for a year. I only got 4 this time around when I bought them because I was already stacked, and to be honest, I think I'm only left with 5 now. From my previous buys, like they literally last me a year, because sometimes I get like 20 of them, and I would normally give my son, because my son picks at Lotion, I would normally give him like 3 and keep the rest, and if he needs one, I would just give him 1. But my lotions, they go through an entire year. So when you get a deal like that, I beg of you, buy them, and buy this packaging, the bigger one, the body cream packaging. They last a long time. If you guys are oldie but goodies on my channel, you guys know that I got this for I think my video was what I got for Christmas. I think my son had got me this. We're gonna start it right now. This is like a must-have in my arsenal. This is a retired fragrance. It's called Mad About You, but this is exactly what it says. It's like, I'm mad about it. It smells so freaking good. It has blackcurrant, bright peony, pink jasmine, white patchouli, vanilla musk. It's so freaking good. So every time I see a retired fragrance that I really love, I normally get like 2 or 3. This is, yeah, this, I think I have one already inside my room, but I always get the retired ones because they're retired. You don't see them on the shelf as often, but it's so freaking good. This has my double stamp of approval. If you are not on this wave, jump on it. Let me tell you, this will give you compliments around the board. Like my son's little friends love to be like, oh, Trez's mom, you smell so great. And I love when people tell me I smell good. That's big purr. Like it's just a vibe when somebody comes up to you and like, oh, you smell nice. What are you wearing? And to tell them it's a body cream, it's crazy. But Mad About You is a staple, so jump on it. I'm sorry for smacking like that. The next one I have is called Into the Night. This is like, it gives me New Year vibes. The bottle, it gives me like New Year champagne vibe. So it's called Into the Night. The notes are raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. It's like, these I've had before, so I could definitely tell you guys about these lotions. Definitely a must-have. Mad About You, definitely a must-have. Definitely a must-have. This one is called Rose. This is like a new fragrance that they had sometime last year. this smells so freaking good. You're gonna hear me say that a lot because I don't have any other way to explain it. This smells so freaking good. This is like a perfume, first of all. It just smells so freaking good. The candle smells so freaking good. The body wash, so freaking good. What I must say though, I can't really use their body wash because sometimes the notes are so strong in the body wash that as a woman, it kind of throws off your pH sometimes. So I gotta warn you guys about those. The body washes, you gotta get like subtle flavors and then just go in with the lotion to smell stronger. But this is like So yeah, these three definitely. The last one that I have is called Velvet Sugar. This is a retired fragrance, so freaking good. Oh my god, this is like a oldie, but definitely a goodie. That's why it's retired. Like these two fragrances, they're oldies but goodies. So every time they come on the site and they're like retired fragrances, jump on it quick because they get sold out really fast. And I'm telling you guys, these are a must-have. They smell, if I had to choose, I can't choose. I can't even choose to say which one smells better than which because they smell so freaking good. You don't understand. So yeah, those were my lotions, and that is the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I really did. I enjoyed saying how much things smell so freaking good. My next video coming is a perfume haul, what I wear. You're gonna hear me say that a lot as well in that video. Freaking good, so freaking good, so freaking good, because I literally have no other way of explaining it. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I hope that some sales come up that you guys can shop and try out the fragrance that I got from Bath&Body Works, because I'm telling you, jump on it. I will not steer you wrong. If it ain't good, nothing, it's not going to be on my channel. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me. I want to thank all the newies for coming in and joining the Honey Pot family. I'm sorry for my phone. Yeah, I'm sorry for my phone, you guys. That's my man. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have made it this far. Like the video, let YouTube know that you like my content. I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and keep my views boosted up. I'm really trying to stay consistent for this new year. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving you guys videos. They will come, I promise you. Just bear with me, stick with me, please. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm not gonna keep it too long. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.